Hi, and welcome to Etteplan's webinar about e-learning. I'm Niklas Stolberg, and I will be the main speaker for today. And with me, I have Kristiina Kosonen. Could you, Kristiina, say a few words about yourself?
Yes, so hello everyone. My name is Kristiina Kosonen and I work as an e-learning project manager, and I'm here to answer for your questions as an e-learning specialist.
Thank you, Kristiina. My name is Niklas and I work as a department manager for technical education solutions at Etteplan Finland. I'm responsible for digital learning and the excellent team producing it. Today's topics will be modern e-learning, benefits and solutions with e-learning, Etteplan as your e-learning partner, and how to get started. Please ask your questions during the webinar through the questions field or contact me after the webinar. So first topic is modern e-learning. What is modern e-learning? Most people have no idea and even have encountered e-learning. Impressions among people vary a lot, from multiple choice question clicking to hours-long video recordings, and could even say that the hours-long video recordings are pretty boring. But modern e-learning have evolved to highly customizable and personalizable interactive content that engage students to learn at their own pace. The e-learning has evolved through technological advancements like mobile-friendly solutions, increasing internet speeds, and more memory capacity. This change enables self-paced learning anywhere and anytime, focusing on interactive content that engage students to focus on their learning needs. Easily available learning consisting of rich content enhances and supports learning that is planned for a specific target audience who will be able to use the right tools in the right environment. One key point is that you are able to get measurable learning outcomes to be able to monitor how the student progress and behave. Modern e-learning is an extremely versatile form of learning with interactivity and engaging material. Pedagogic content creation restructures and presents the information in a way that maximizes the learning results. Pedagogic content creation restructures and presents the information in a way that maximizes the learning results. And with long passages of text that you rewritten and adjust to suit a variety of media, video, audio, and animation with interactive elements, this will make the material more engaging and increase the students' motivation to learn. Content can be localized to fit the needs of any target audience to maximize the learning results. In short, you can translate the content to any language needed. A great advantage is to have preparing e-learning courses before classroom training to get the participants to the same level for effective hands-on training and reduce the time in classroom training to get the participants to the same level. People have three basic styles of learning: visual learners, auditory learners, kinesthetic learners. Research shows that use of all three drives higher mastery in learning. E-learning blends all three styles into a course. Modern e-learning takes into consideration reading, seeing, hearing, and doing. This will develop higher mastery of learning. Instead of just reading, watching, or listening to the material in silence, interactive learning methods ask the student to engage with the learning material. This engagement is proven to enhance the quality of learning and increase the student's ability to retain and reuse the new information. Here you can see some examples of interactive exercises or even gamification. You can choose your own story scenario, get the highest score, select the most accurate choice, or drag and drop. Gamification is a method of learning with the primary purpose of engaging the students to enhance the quality of learning so that they can transfer the learning to real life. When we consider interactive learning and its possibilities, it's important to remember that the way people take in information has changed during the past decade, and it's still changing. People are no longer ready to sit and passively take in new information for long periods of time. Now they are looking for quick, condensed solutions that engage their interest on several levels. For example, if the student gets 3 correct answers in a row, they could get a reward. Similarly, the different parts of the course can be labeled as levels, and whenever the student has completed one part, they will discover the next one. These game-like features not only engage the student with the learning material, but also increase their motivation to learn and their willingness to come back to the learning material again. Benefits of the modern e-learning is it eliminates physical and geographical boundaries. You can study anywhere with almost any tools like tablets or a phone. It will reduce training, travel, and accommodation cost. It will have your employees' time away from the job, shorter time. The training efficiency, freedom to learn at own pace and space. Training quality improvement. You can follow the learning activity and even enable certifications when needed, that you know the quality of the training. You have even the possibility to create more business in your company. Companies could even expand their business by selling e-learning as a service or with the product. The e-learning course can have all of these elements listed or a mix of a few of them. As you remember, I told earlier that people have 3 basic styles of learning: visual, auditory, and kinesthetic. Use of these elements will blend the 3 styles together. Learning management systems can be used to manage digital learning solutions at the organizational level or tailored to suit the needs of different roles and units, allowing e-learning to be used as an organization-wide learning center. Additionally, it's good to remember that the e-learning tracks the user's behavior and engagement to measure how well the learning goals are met. This can then be used to consider what continued learning needs the organization has and what further actions needs to be taken to change the goals of the processes during the planned interval. A complete learning management system consists of at least tracking, reporting, assessment, certification, social learning, and of course, the learning. Etteplan offers consultation and administration regarding learning management systems. In the picture, you can see examples of tracking. You can track scores, time used, how many attempts you needed to get the course done, and who has access and access groups. You can have a certification that needs, for example, renew once in a year. You can engage social learning, discussion boards, and leaderboards. And of course, the learning is easily available in the learning management system. A short summary of the benefits of e-learning is you have rich content that can be tailored to learning needs. Pedagogically thought out and structured content with interactive learning experience. And customized learning solutions. Then what about Etteplan? What do we offer? Our services consist of consultation, e-learning production, e-learning productions and continued services, and learning management system service. When you have Etteplan as your e-learning provider, it provides solutions created in synergy of a cross-disciplinary background team, and of course, listening to the customer needs. The core team has backgrounds in training, teaching, programming, media technology, human resources development, translation, engineering, and asset information, to mention a few. And we have support available from other units, for example, electrical design, mechanical design, software design, just to mention a few there. And of course, we're a big consultant office, so we have a lot of fields that we represent. We are able to design and plan learning programs and course structures and consult customers based on customer needs with cost-efficient way to do it, which gives maximum benefits to customers. We promote the educational way in producing content as in pedagogy and adult learning methods, and helping the customers to enhance their knowledge, understanding how to reach the best and most efficient way to strive to the learning goals. In e-learning production, our service consists of architecture, content and learning plans, content creation, content updates, and we are able to publish content compatibly with most of the learning management systems and beyond. We're able to produce engaging and highly personalized digital training in any subject. When we are producing e-learning in a continued services, we are committed to the service and support for customers at agreed terms and conditions. And we can even consult in continuous learning program development and even take care of your e-learning course updates. In learning management service, we are able to offer administration, management, and maintenance of new and existing learning management systems, consisting of user management, course maintenance, learning reports, training coordination, and consultation. Then, how to get started with digital training? You need to define your target audience. For who is the e-learning created? What is your subject? What knowledge is needed to cover? How to keep one module bite-sized? What are the learning goals you are going to achieve? What is the most important to be learned from the course? How to share your e-learning content? Do you have a learning management system, or are you going to share it as a standalone course? And of course, what is your budget? And you need to define that what is the need for specialized expertise? Do you need video production? Do you need animations? Do you need, for example, interactive storytelling or coding? And so on. That's a good one to think about in the beginning. How is the look and feel going to be like? Do you have a strict company-specific look, or could you have something else? Do you need language versions? Do you have other specific learning needs? And last, by no means the least, when you consider your digital training roadmap from the start, you get it right from the beginning. It's important to put the effort in the beginning to get the payoff in the end. This was in short what I had in mind for the webinar. If you still have questions, please put them in the question feed that we have in the tool. Additional information regarding this is on our website, or you can contact me directly. My email is below. Thank you for listening, and hope we're in touch.